Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your F10 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Josh here again, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your F10 smartwatch to your smartphone. So first is all you have to do is, if you have the Android phone, is just kindly go to your Play Store, and after that you have to download the Wear Fit 2.0, and then you just have to do is try to download this one, Wear Fit. Alright guys, it is now downloading. Okay, so now let's open it, and it says here automatically recording your health status, so link your health band. Yes, so Wear Fit is asking to turn on Bluetooth, so let's turn it on. And please also open GPS, so let's turn our location on as well. Okay, confirm. Okay, and allow Wear Fit to access this device location, and done. So let's try to search, and then it detected our F10 smartwatch and my other smartwatches. And for this is let's just click on the F10 smartwatch. Allow Wear Fit to access photos, media, and files on your device. So let's click allow. And then for notification guys, just also turn on Wear Fit and click allow as well. So this is here temporarily unavailable. So for this application guys, so it has also blood pressure monitoring, your auto saturation, and your sleep. Yes, and when you go to the menu here, then you have your user info, so it has your preferences, and run. Yes, so it will record on how many kilometers did you run. And then also settings, so there's like health goals and WeChat support, restore the band factory settings, to clear phone data, clear the band, and then it will clear all the historical data on the band as well. So let's try to have here. Then device management, so it will let you know if your band is successfully connected. Now let's try to use this one, find the band guys. Alright, so now our F10 smartwatch is vibrating. So let's try it again, find the band, and yes, it is vibrating, and it has this sound but it's not that loud. And then lift wrist to activate, then you can also click this one on, so whenever you try to maybe lift your wrist, then it will turn on. Also firmware update, then there's no firmware update. Alright, okay guys, so I think that's all. So that's just how easy it is to connect your F10 smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.